Hello guys, today I will show you how you can try to fix Google Maps app in your Android device. So we have to start from, if your Google Maps doesn't work, we have to start from the closed application from the background apps and check again. If it doesn't work, just restart your phone by holding the power button and volume down for a few seconds, then restart the phone. If the Google Maps still doesn't work, just go to the app info by holding the finger on the C red icon and choose app info. Now click force stop and disable. Now enable it again and check the app. If it still doesn't work, just go to the storage and tap on clear data or clear cache. And the last recommendation from me, just try to update your Google Maps in the Google Play Store. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.